Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro on your iPhone. And we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it, tap on it, and here's 3 presets for it. Choose the best one for you, and then click Add Widget. And you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Now the second option is to use your application. So open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Right here we can check we haven't battery percentages, but we have these icons and it have some section here. So you can check it here, or you can tap on it and check it the same for with charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.